So it seems I'm missing a chicken. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I might be, there's a chicken. Where, is there a chicken missing? Is there a chicken missing? What are you doing in there? You silly bird. How long you been in there? Huh? Did you get stuck? You're so silly. Look at your feathers. They're all frilly willies. Goofies. Chickens. Bunch of chickens. Look at all them chickens. Those are happy chickens. Happy chickens. Happy chickens. Elvis, what is wrong with your butt? Oh, she's laying a turd. Your butt, you must be molting. Her feathers are going. Look at you, Miss Betty Boopy. What you doing over there, huh? Say, Mom, I'm dust bathing. Mocha. Mocha mocha. Miss Latte. And that is cappuccino. Cappuccino. What was you in there? What you doing, Chunky Chicks? Are you running? Look, they're checking out the melon tray I brought out for them. Crazy birds. Crazy birds. Anybody else in there? Nope. Okay. Crazy birds. Do y'all want some treats? Miss Latte says, I'm hungry, Mom. I'm hungry. All right, we're going to give you treats. Look, treats. Look at the treats. Boop. Look. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. They ain't going to fight over it. Y'all silly birds. Come on out, Cappuccino. Oh, that ain't Cappuccino. That's Miss, what's that got, Miss B? What? Be nice, everybody. My goodness. What do you think, huh? Look. Boop. Let's make you all run up that way. Look. Boop. Go get it. Run, chickens. Run, chickens, run. Boop. Come on. Come on, Cappuccino. Boop. Run, chickens. Y'all cracked me up, man.